In this video, we will continue working on the exercise we've done before, and we will be having these two equations, both having two variables, a and b, and we're going to find the value of a and b. As I've said before, we're going to use the elimination method in order to find their respective values. As for the first one, let's multiply it by minus 1. So it's going to be minus a minus b equal to plus 5. So let's eliminate. Add these two equations, b and minus b cancel each other, so it's going to be 4a equal to 4. Divide both sides of the equal by 4 to isolate a. A is going to be equal to 1. So after we found the value of a, which is 1, let's substitute it in either of these. So I'm going to substitute it in the first one. 1 plus b is equal to minus 5. So b is equal to minus 5 minus 1. So b is equal to minus 6. Now we have found the values of both a and b. So the equation is going to be y equal to 1x squared minus 6x plus 5. And that would be the final equation and the final answer for this question.